how are you guys? So today we are gonna be making another delicious juice recipe.
And it's really gonna be tasty.
So like you guys know that me, Japriya, we have been making a lot of snacks, a lot of like juices. In the summer, it's very hot.
As you can see, we're already sweating.
Yeah.
She's out for miles.
We bought this heavy watermelon in the
really
store.
heavy.
Here, you wanna knock on it?
It's really heavy. I can really get it, but a little.
Same, right? Guys, look, it's very heavy. There's a lot of juice inside. Also, we bought this in the store, and yeah, here's a picture of the watermelon we bought in the store. Let's look over there. Do you see it, Priya?
It's really tasty when we drink it.
Wow, the watermelon picture looks so good. So you guys want to see how we can make the juice. So let's go into what we need and how to make it. Let's see. So guess what, guys? So what we need for the watermelon juice, it's that we have to have the watermelon slices.
Like
So
this?
we have the watermelon, obviously. Look,
We cut it in
turn it a
half.
little, Priya, so you can see it. Okay, drop it down a little. Okay, so now we have this lemon. So basically, we're gonna take the lemon juice. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon lemon juice. So we already put it into this little
Container.
So like it's right here, guys. It's like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We obviously need like how much ice? You wanna count the ice?
Yep.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 ice cubes. About like you could put 8. You could put how much you want. It's gonna be for that cool, refreshing taste.
And we need.
So if you guys need if you guys don't have sweet watermelon, like suppose like a lot of countries don't have like watermelon that's sweet, you could add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now let's learn how to make it. So first we
Need the watermelon.
we cut it
Sliced.
Yeah, we sliced it. We cut it into little pieces.
Like this. We choose a watermelon that doesn't have seeds.
It looks so beautiful. So like there's 2 types of watermelons, the ones that come with seeds and the ones that don't come with seeds.
We picked the one without seeds.
Yeah. So first we're gonna start loading it into the blender.
Okay, take it off.
Do you wanna start?
Yeah, I'll come with each.
Take a little piece. Keep putting it. Put the pieces. Here. Guys, make sure before you make the juices, you have to wash your hands.
It's gonna be so tasty.
It's not always gonna be tasty. Like, yeah, it's gonna be tasty.
I like watermelon.
I like watermelon too.
It's my favorite fruit in the whole world. I think it's full.
Okay, yeah, it's full. So some people like cut extra slices and like just leave it. So like we don't need this extra piece.
But there's still room for one more
Okay.
on the side.
All right. Here.
Here.
Put it a little so it might be. Wait. Here. I'll just put more. Okay. The more watermelons you have, the more flavor it gives. So then my sister is going to put the ice cubes. So we're going to put 7 ice cubes.
Okay, so it's gonna be a little slippery.
Whoa, it's slippery.
Oh, it's connected. Can you see?
Can't put it.
Connected.
Put it.
3 are connected together.
Okay, right? Okay, it's gonna be full.
Oh no.
Okay. Put it in. It's gonna blend, so like it's okay. Good. Alright, now we're gonna be.
Let's push it a little in so it doesn't.
Okay, we're gonna push a little in. So now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So we already put it into this container, so we're just gonna pour it. Put it all around.
So good.
Good. Now
wait to taste
that we're gonna put the sugar, 2 tablespoons for you guys. Usually we don't put like sugar because like we have sweet fruit. Some countries don't have sweet fruits. Like suppose we say some parts of like the Asia countries, like Europe, some people like don't get it. So
Don't put too much.
I know.
Or else
1
it'll be
tablespoon
Too sweet.
and then 2 tablespoons. That's all. That's all. Okay.
So now we're ready to blend.
Now we're ready to blend, guys. So now we're gonna blend it. So do you wanna like start it?
Well, okay, fine.
Here.
Last time when you were making the smoothie, it was
So we need to blend it for 30 minutes, guys. Make sure you blend it for like parts, like 1 part, 1 minute, 2 part, 2 minutes, like that, cause it might motor heat. Now we're gonna blend it again.
The
So now we blended it for 3 minutes. So like yeah, now it's ready to drink. Are you ready?
So excited.
On the beach vibe. So now we're just gonna take the moody off, the lid. Oops.
Be careful.
Okay, we're just gonna put it here. Just leave like this. Now we're gonna put it inside the glasses.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So much.
Okay, now let's do it for the other one.
It's a little pink and red. That's my favorite colors.
Exactly. Because instead of buying chemicals, sodas, and all that stuff, you could just get this like watermelons. You could just buy a lot at your local supermarket. And now we're gonna lift it off here. You need help, Priya?
Yep. We also need
I
stars.
forgot this. Here.
I'm gonna bend mine because I like to bend mine.
You guys want to take a closer look? Look here. Come closer. Guys, come. Look, guys.
It looks
See, guys?
refreshing.
It looks very refreshing, especially the glasses. They look so neat. Now our delicious, refreshing juice, watermelon, is now ready. It's really like the shape and the color is very like good. The liquid is really like turned out to be really amazing. It's gonna be really thirst quenching. So now we're just gonna like drink it. So guys, come with us.
So where's mine?
So as a reminder, guys, you could filter it. So kids can like filter if they don't want anything inside it, and other people or all people can like just drink it normally.
We drink it normally too.
Yeah, we drink it normally. We don't filter it. Ready?
I give it a thumbs up because it's really good.
I can't get enough of it. It's so good. I just want to drink it over and over. It tastes really good. It tastes very sweet and like natural. Really good. And like so that's all we have for today, guys. Make sure to hit the like button
And subscribe down below. And if you have any
Comments,
concerns
ask
or
below.
questions, comment below.
Thanks
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Guys. Bye, guys.